In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own sticker in CapCut. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add your video to the track. Now, go to the stickers tab, tap AI generated. This is where CapCut lets you create stickers from text prompt using AI. Now, in the text box, type and describe the sticker you want. For example, let's create paintbrush. After that, select the sticker style. CapCut may offer styles such as cartoon, stroke, and more. Each style gives your sticker a different look. Once selected, tap the generate button. Keep in mind, each generation may use CapCut credits. Once the processing is complete, tap the one you like best. Once selected, add it to the track. Drag the edges of the sticker layer so it matches the duration of your video. After that, resize and reposition the sticker anywhere on the screen. Want to make it even better? Go to the animation tab. From here, you'll see three animation: in, out, and loop animation. Try different animation and select the one you like. Now, if you want to create more custom sticker, simply repeat the process. Go back to the stickers tab, type another prompt, and tap the generate button. Then resize, reposition, and animate the sticker. After that, adjust the duration. Once you're done, preview your video. Once satisfied, tap the export button to save your video. And that's it! You've successfully created your own sticker in CapCut. I've got a free step-by-step guide link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!